Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood offers a 3-hour visit inside a real working Hollywood studio. Located at 3400 West Riverside Drive, Burbank, California. Each tour includes exclusive access to original props, costumes, picture cars, and sets used, from Batman to Friends. Additionally, studio tour guests will stop at the DC Universe DC Comics exhibit, the original Batman Museum and Batmobile collection, and the real Central Perk Friends set. Explore outdoor sets and sound stages used to create productions such as The Big Bang Theory, Pretty Little Liars, La La Land, Argo, and Gilmore Girls. Visit the best studio tour in Los Angeles, getting you closer to the entertainment you love. Visit their website, wbstudiotour.com.